3002. Okay, so if we do view products, so there are no products here right now. So okay, before we do that, let's try to fix something. My form. Okay. Yes, so let's do a little bit of testing because it's running now. So let's try to create an iPhone. Okay, so does it exist? Okay, yeah. So yeah, I forgot to add the .env file for this one. So here, 1 second. Let me just get the. So we need to get the credentials for the Cloudinary. So let's just rerun it. Okay, so here. Okay, so let's just try running it again. Okay, so because of the image, doesn't look that great, but yeah, we can just like change the image here. So this is our edit. One data.name. Okay, so let's see what the issue is here. Product card.js. Okay, so it's working now. So if you click on the delete button, the details button, It's going to show you all the details of the product. And let's just see something. Okay, so we can try creating another product. Yeah, so let's try. So we have one product right now. So let's try and adding another product. So let's do iPhone 14. Older iPhone description, 28 Apple. Let's do 1000. So when we do submit, the product added successfully. View products, we have our two phones, and we can choose to delete the 15. The product deleted successfully. And yeah, so that's basically our integration is pretty much done here. So, and if you click on go home, it's going to take you back to the landing page. So, so now, search already there.
Yes, is it done everything there?
Yes, the
Okay.
integration is pretty much done here.
So everything is working as expected?
Yes, everything's working here.
Okay, great. So the testing part is done as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, great.
So let's
Now
try to so we have iPhone 14 here. Let's try to create another iPhone 14. Let's see what happens. 1200. Okay, it's still giving. Okay, it's still giving us duplicate products. Okay. So yeah, that's a bug. So we can fix that later then.
sounds good. Okay.
Okay.
So that will be our next. So now we can do the GUI automation, right?
Yes.
Okay. So basically we do the GUI automation, which is the one of the core part of the testing, just to avoid the manually testing the user flow and the functionality. So we can do the testing multiple way. We use the Selenium WebDriver, using the Java programming language, .NET, Python, and the similar is the Cypress, which is from the JavaScript. So you're going to use the Cypress to automate this, the user flow. That's the goal.
Okay, so we can get started.
Yes, you continue.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, just like Sir Shibu mentioned, Cypress is basically a like an open source testing framework that is based on JavaScript, similar to for Java. There's Selenium that a lot of QA engineers use. So this is basically one that is built on top of a powerful browser automation engine, and there's a lot of like features that allows us to basically write, run, and debug tests for our web applications. So we're going to basically do like a hands-on of how this works. So So why is Cypress used? So there's a variety of reasons why we use Cypress. So there's end-to-end testing, which is basically allows us to basically simulate user interactions with the application and allows us to basically verify that it works as we want it to. And Cypress is very fast and reliable, and which basically allows developers and QA engineers to basically save time and get accurate and repeatable results. And not only that, Cypress is also very easy to use. It has a very good user experience as well. So, in order to initialize a Cypress project, we're basically going to create a folder, like a new directory, and we're basically going to initialize node in it. So we do that by npm init. So that's how we basically initialize the node project. And we can do npm init dash y, basically does everything for us. We don't have to like manually enter all the information. And in order to initializing the node project is the first step, and then we have to basically initialize the Cypress project. So we do that basically by installing this package through npm. We use the dash save dash dev Cypress because we're installing it as a dev dependency. So that's basically how to initialize it. And in order for us to run the actual project, we have to do npx Cypress open. That's basically when we're going to see the Cypress user interface, and that's basically when the actual testing basically starts. Like the automation part of it is where it actually starts. So without further ado, we can start doing the hands-on from here then. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this. So here, right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open a new folder. So here, let's do
Product GUI
Cypress.
automation.
Okay, product. We open it. And I'm gonna open the terminal. So we're already in the this folder directory. So we can do npm init dash y. So and then so we initialized npm. So now let's do npm install and npm install Cypress dash dash save dash. Okay, I think I made a mistake. Cypress. Okay, so if we check the package.json, we can see under dev dependencies, we have Cypress, which is already installed successfully. So that's good. So now what we can do is we can do npx Cypress open. So here, what's happening is, so this is basically the initial user interface that we get from Cypress.